my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need.
And then there is also a register for firearms specifically.
Ikhona-ke neregister-ke eyenzelwe ibhamu nje kuphela.
Yes. And that register is only available during the day.
Futhi-ke leyo register leyo itholakala emini kuphela.
And then the firearm personnel will go to the CSC when he knocks on duty. Will go to the CSC, and when he see that there is an exhibit of a firearm, he will then transfer that exhibit to his register, specifically for firearms.
Okwenzekayo-ke asithi-ke ngelanga elandelayo-ke laba abasebenza ngey'bhamu uma esengena-ke emsebenzini uzohamba-ke aye kuleya register leya-ke ye-CSC. Uma ethola ukuthi kunobufakazi-ke obhaliwe laphayana okuyisibhamu uzobuthatha-ke lobo bufakazi lobo asebudlulisela-ke kule register eyenzelwe ibhamu kuphela.
Just want to show you exhibit X2.
Yes.
Can you just identify exhibit X2?
Yes. It's a copy of the SAP 13 where the firearm was transferred to.
Lana-ke ikhophi ye-SAP 13 lena-ke la isibhamu esandluliselwa khona.
Yes, what type of register is that?
It's a firearm register.
Lena-ke i-register yey'bhamu
SAP 13.
kuyi-SAP 13.
It's got a SAP 13 number 67.
SAP 13 number-ke eku-67.
And then it's got the OP number.
Inumber-ke ye-OB.
And it's got the previous SAP 13 register.
Kanye futhi-ke ne-register leyo-ke eyangaphambilini.
It's just for completeness sake, just put that OB register entry number on record.
OP number 928 of 2015.
Le number-ke ye-OB u-928 2015.
And then the SAP 13 number of the previous register is 86/2015.
Futhi-ke i-register-ke eyangaphambili-ke inumber yayo u-86 ka-2015.
Just a minute. Yes.
And then column 2, it's a CAS station and the CAS Cleveland CAS 96 of 2015. Possession of unlicensed firearm.
Column 2-ke yena-ke la chazwa khona isiteshi Cleveland case number 96 of 2015 icala-ke ukutholakala ngokungekho emthethweni noma-ke nesibhamu esingena-license.
And then column 3, it's a description of the exhibit firearm 1x 9mm black pistol CZ75 Col Luca, serial number 5 off with 28 live rounds and one empty magazine.
Lana-ke u-column 3 la chazwa khona isibhamu ukuthi isibhamu esinjani simnyama i-9mm i-C275 i-Col Luca nokuthi-ke i-serial number-ke kwatholakala ukuthi ayibonakali noma isusiwe-ke ama-live rounds awu-28 kanye nemagazini eyodwa engenalutho.
All items are sealed in a forensic bag with serial number 385083.
Futhi-ke nokuthi konke-ke kwaqoqwa-ke ndawonye kwase kufakwa-ke kule forensic bag eno-FSE 385083.
Yes. Column 4, the finder is Sergeant Masondo from PIU PHO, found in possession of the suspect.
Bhala imininingwane yami-ke ukuthi mina-ke wasithola ngisithola kuyena-ke umsolwa ngibuya-ke e-PIU e-PHO sitholakala kuyena umsolwa.
And just for record purposes, who is that?
It's Towisi Mncube.
Yes, but who's the finder?
Or the finder, Sergeant Masondo.
Owathola-ke uSergeant Masondo.
Yes, who's that? Just for record purpose.
That's me, myself.
Yimina loyo.
Yes.
And then, yes, 4.3 is the name of the person where the firearm was found.
Ku 4.3 ke kubhalwe
Mthobisi Mncube.
kubhalwe ke imininingwane yaloyo esatholakala kuyena uMthobisi Ncube.
He sent it in by Sergeant Masondo and signed by Captain Mshwana.
Thola noma ke safakwa uyena uSergeant Masondo kwase kusayinda uSergeant Mshwana.
I think it's a captain.
Sorry. Captain, I said
Mshwana.
Sergeant. Oh, sorry. Captain Mshwana.
Yes.
Column 5, there is a date where Sergeant Masondo booked out item 3.123.
Ku column 5 ke kune date la khona ke uSergeant Masondo ke wase ke eyobhuka out noma eyokhipha ke eyokhipha lokho.
Yes.
Yeah,
The date?
this copy it's in there. The copy, I mean the date is written 2015 of 2/10.
It 10 of February 2015.
Yes. You may proceed. What happened after you've booked out the exhibit?
We book out the exhibit and then go to prepare the request to ballistic. After that, we forward the exhibit to ballistic
Mase ke
for examination.
sorry. Mase ngikhiphileke ilapho kwenza khona ke isicelo ukuthi kudluliselwe ke kulabo abasebenza ngeibhamu kubizwa ngokuthi ke ama ballistic.
And how did you forward it?
I book out the exhibit from the SAP 13. I went to the office, we prepare the documents, and then on the 12th, it's when then we forwarded the exhibit to ballistic.
Okwenzeka ke ngayikhipha ke ngase ngiye office la ngiyolungisa khona ke isicelo nge12 ke zika February ila khona ke sase sihambisa ke noma sikudlulisela kuba ama ballistic noma labo abaphenya ibhamu.
Yes, but how was it forwarded to ballistics?
I drove it myself, I took it there myself.
Mina ke engashayela ke ngaya khona lapho ke kulabo abasebenza ngama ballistic noma abasebenza ngokuphenya ibhamu.